Legacy Summit, Chicago, baby. Here we go. It's about to go down on the beach. About to see. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's find out who has grit, Jed. Who has grit? We're about to find out.
If you guys are excited to work smarter, say yes. I want you to look at one of your neighbors and say, I'm gonna outdo you, baby. Yes.
If you want to become smart, you've got to overcome your need to look smart, right? There's no one that's going to have a harder time becoming smart than the person that always needs to look smart.
I'm an idiot. I've been an idiot my whole life.
It's really cool to get to see so many different brilliant minds on the same stage talking about topics that affect us every single day.
You can read about all the right things to do in business in a book, but it needs to be coupled with that wisdom. And where do you get that wisdom from? Trevor said you can get it from your own life experience, but there's always going to be, it takes a lot more time and it's a lot more expensive if you do it that way. When I started joining rooms like this and attending events like this and surrounding myself with amazing people like the folks that are in this room, that's when everything got shortcutted.
That's a big thing for me, is just the remotivation and getting to see like-minded people, because I don't necessarily go home and I'm not around these people all day long, and I don't get to have all the conversations every day like I do here, and it just really kind of gets the motor going again.
We all know if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together.
Wow, we got a big crowd this morning. Wow.
I don't need y'all either. Ooh, don't wanna talk about it. Ooh, like I don't know nobody. Like I don't know nobody. I guess I don't. Oh, you mad, huh? Oh, you mad, huh? Ooh, oh, you mad, huh?
But you know, the goal of these summits is to make them exciting, to make them fun. So I was thinking about giving you guys Twinkies too, but I don't want like a bunch of Eeyores hum-hoing around, you know?
I look around at everybody and they seem to be where I want to be. So I want to be around those type of people, learn from them, the wisdom that they share every time, life-changing.
Everybody in the room has generally some other sort of unlocked capacity, has something else inside of them, and some ability to be able to go and experience something in the world regardless of what it is that we face. And the truth of the matter is, and thinking about it, like I've never met somebody that was so tired or so exhausted that they couldn't go another 3 feet. Even somebody that is the most brutally smoked person in whatever it is, in whatever regard, to go another 3 feet. But it's when we forget that, I think, when we go and forget that, when we go and put our focus on all of the different things and the factors and all of that that's outside of our control, I think that's when it begins to go and encircle us and cave in. You know, in what way, in what regard do we keep those things from allowing us to live the life that we're capable of and the potential?
It's about realizing, what am I here for? What is the work that makes me come alive? What is the lifestyle that gives me joy? And how can I establish a relationship with things so that that's complementing it, amplifying it, but never holding me back? The things that we think we need to do in order to feel comfortable are the very things that compromise that which matters the most.
So it's all just a matter of believing in yourself enough to actually be in rooms like this. You're absolutely deserving to be here. If you want it, come get it. It's here for you.
You know, you're never too small or too big to join in this group, and people in this group are just going to be, you know, willing to help you and really try to get you to the next level. So no matter where you're at in your game, there's always something more that you can learn.
So take the vacation, get the car that you need, buy the shoes that you want, but be the human that fills them.
And just to be clear for everybody, have we ever met before? How do you know me?
I've been married to you for 30 plus years.
Predictive index does not do that. Calm down. Your closet is color-coded. Your shoes are color-coded. All the... Say.
I have matching hangers on my goal list, okay?
That's why it's so important to be in a group like this. This is where this group really pays off for you. You bounce ideas off of people that are in this room that have been there, done that, that'll help you before you make that first step.
I love this stuff, and I love you guys. The energy, I like to hang out beforehand to feel a room. I'm what's called a clairsentient. You've heard of clairvoyant people, they can see the future. I could feel it. And when I walked into this room earlier today, I knew what this was gonna be like. And I had to pinch myself that I get to do this for a living, change people's life, empower them to see things differently. I looked over, and there it was in my closet. I hadn't seen it in years, that goddamn jacket. I looked at the jacket and I thought to myself, broke down crying. I had everything. Not only that I dreamed of it more, but everybody else was dreaming of that grew up with me, that knew me. Everybody was dreaming about what I had. And I hated myself. And I sat there and I thought, who was I? And that's where those 4 values came from.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's lived that life of finding ways to serve others through 4 different ways: gratitude, empathy, accountability, and effective communication. Ladies and gentlemen, this is someone who is definitely working smarter.
Just watching people grow, like you see someone from 4 months ago, and then you see them, today. Like I've met up with so many people and checking in with them, and they're like, yeah, I did this and this and this, or no, I haven't accomplished this goal I told you I would. What do we need to do to change that? So you level up with people, and it's so fun to watch.
Give it a shot. You have nothing to lose by trying it.
Legacy family, thank you so much for an amazing event in Chicago, Illinois. I had a blast with you. It is always such an honor to hang out, to spend some time together, to connect and deepen the relationships, to get the knowledge, to gain some wisdom, and continue moving things forward and being better in all aspects of our lives. It's such an honor to be part of it and be on this journey with you guys. I cannot wait to hang out with you at our next Legacy Summit. It will be October 16 and 17 at the Scott Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona.
If you're listening, whoa. Sing it back, whoa.
Hey guys, Steve Trang, Real Estate Disruptors. I'm looking forward to seeing some of you guys at Legacy Family in Scottsdale, Arizona in October. I also am looking forward to hanging out with Tim. Tim is one of the biggest go-givers, and any moment I get to hang out with my guy Tim, I look forward to it. So I'll see you guys in October in my neck of the woods, Scottsdale, Arizona.
Hey Legacy family, Ray Gonzalez here. I'm excited to connect with you guys in Scottsdale. I'm excited you guys are part of Tim's and Fadi's group, and if I know anything about my soul brothers, I know that you guys are also committed to growing, expanding, and always looking to become more conscious and investing in yourselves. One of the few things I'm excited to connect with you guys on is this idea of becoming present, becoming conscious, and really doing business in a way of being where you're at peace, you're fulfilled, you're at joy. And that's the way you do business, so that you're fulfilled during your process, as you grow your business, as you scale your business, as you do real estate deals. It's not something you're looking to get later, that along the way you're enjoying the ride and you're at peace and at joy and you're fulfilled during and after. Looking forward to connecting with you guys. Thank you.
Hey, it's Carlos Reyes here, and I just want to take the time to personally invite you to attend the Legacy Family Summit in Scottsdale, Arizona, hosted by the legend himself, my brother, one of the best human beings that I've ever met in my life, Tim Bratz. I know every speaker that's going to be on that stage, and let me just say this, they are the ultimate go-givers, and they are going to, we are going to share everything that has worked in our business, all the tools, all the strategies, all the resources. Our objective is to give you this, real freedom for you and your family. Let's leave a legacy, baby. I'll see you at the Legacy Family Summit. Let's go.